Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So let us start today's lesson with a new topic, that is conversion of units in the case of area and volume. The different units of area and volume are obtained from the units of length. That is, area is the repeated multiplication of unit of length, whereas volume is the repeated multiplication of length 3 times, area 2 times, volume 3 times. So how the conversion takes place in the case of area? So various units of lengths are millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. And the conversion also you learnt in that. First we will see what is the relation between centimeter square and millimeter square, units of area, how it is to be converted. We know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 centimeter square will be 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 1 into 1, 1 only, but centimeter into centimeter, you have to convert millimeter into millimeter. How it will be? Because 1 centimeter makes 10 millimeter. So it will be 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter. So here the number will be changed. Instead of 1 and 1 into 1, whatever it will be 10 into 10. When you convert into millimeter square. So that conversion you have to remember in the case of length, units of length. So the answer will be 10 into 10 is 100. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. Clear? How it is obtained? From this multiplication, repeated multiplication of unit. So 1 centimeter square equal to 100 millimeter square. Now meter and centimeter. Meter square and centimeter square. So what is the relation between meter and centimeter? 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So when it is multiplied repeatedly, what will happen? 1 meter square equal to 1 meter into 1 meter. That is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. That is 1 meter square equal to 100 into 100. How many zeros should be there? Here 100, 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, here 4 zeros. What is this number? 10,000. What it is? Centimeter square. What is 10,000 centimeter square? That is equal to 1 meter square. Understood how it is obtained? 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. 100 into 100, 10,000 centimeter square. Now next we will convert kilometer and meter. 1 kilometer square equal to 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. How many meter make 1 kilometer? Kilo means 1000. So 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So we have to multiply when it is converted kilometer into meter. 1000 meter into 1000 meter. So 1000 into 1000. How many zero? 6 zeros. 1000 into 1000. How to read it? 10 lakh. 10 lakh meter square. 1 kilometer square equal to 10 lakh meter square. That is about area. Now we will go to volume. In volume, 3 times repeated. Meter cube, centimeter cube, millimeter cube, etc. So first we will see what is 1 centimeter cube, what is the relation between 1 centimeter cube and millimeter cube. How many millimeter cube will be 1 centimeter? Again multiplication, 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. In 1 centimeter, how many millimeter? 10. 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. So what it will be? 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter. 10 into 10 into 10. 1000 millimeter cube is 1 centimeter cube. This 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. In the case of liquid, volume is measured in ml. What is that ml? 1 ml? 1 centimeter cube. In the case of solid, we can say 1 centimeter. But in the case of liquid, it is measured in ml. What is that 1 ml? 1 centimeter cube. So we can say that 1000 millimeter cube is equal to 1 ml because it is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Clear? Understood ml? Now next, also we know the relation between ml and liter. ml is milliliter. 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. That is 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter in the case of liquid. Volume is measured in milliliter and liter. So how you will convert milliliter into liter? 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. But this 1000 milliliter, 1 milliliter is also equal to what? 1 centimeter cube. So we can convert centimeter cube into liter. How it will be? 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. 1 ml equal to 1 centimeter cube. So we can convert centimeter cube into liter. That is 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Don't get confused. 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml and 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. Therefore, 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Now we will relate meter cube and centimeter cube. Meter cube and centimeter. So 1 meter cube equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. 6 zeros. 10 lakh centimeter cube. 1 meter cube equal to 10 lakh. How you got 6 zeros? 100 into 100 into 100. 10 lakh centimeter cube, 1 meter cube. Similarly, we can convert kilometer cube into meter cube. That is not so used frequently in day-to-day life. So only learn this conversion. Centimeter cube into meter cube and millimeter cube. Also the relation between centimeter cube and milliliter. 1 centimeter cube equal to, that is very important to understand, equal to 1 ml, and 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. Therefore 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So that is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. If you understood this lesson, please press like button. Have a nice day. See you next week with a new topic. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.